Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faulata Lihabi, and today I prepared for you something very delicious. This is just a very simple recipe on how to cook pork, so I hope you'll enjoy and I hope you'll get to see how easy it is. So welcome. This is the pork that you're going to use. You transfer the pork into your cooking pan. Then as for mine, I had washed it, so I'll just let all the water dry off completely. Then the fat will also dry off, but from time to time I'll be stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So let's light the fire and start the process. So I'll just give it a few minutes before I can come and look at it, but now you can cover it at this process so that it goes fast. So you hear that sound, come and check the food. And slowly by slowly, you start turning it so that it doesn't burn. You can see the amount of fat that's coming up. So let's check our pork again. Ooh. You can see the way the color is changing so nicely. Just look at the amount of fat that came off. So we just transfer the fat to another container so we can continue cooking. I'm satisfied with the look, so I'm just going to drain this oil. There's some little oil that's come out, then I can start adding my ingredients. So at this stage we add our onions. Since the pork is so fatty, there's no need to add more oil. So at this stage you can add the garlic and the ginger. Then you can let it cook for a while. So allow the tomatoes to cook for a while. So this looks so good. At this point you can add some salt to taste. You can now add your green pepper. Then you stir and let it cook for a while. So guys, at this point you can either add some water for soup or you can just eat it like that. But first of all, I'll add my dhania. For me, I like tasting that dhania flavor, so I'll just leave it for like 30 seconds, then I remove it.
And I remove it from the heat.